Math. So, today we're going to discuss a very easy topic. So, kinakailangan po ito para matulungan natin yung mga students natin na ma-solve yung mga problems in different mathematics courses. We have the general mathematics, pre-calculus, statistics and probability, basic calculus, differential calculus, integral calculus for senior high school, and for the grade school to junior high school, the mathematics subject itself. So, ito po, ang lesson natin ngayon is all about basic algebra. So, pag sinabi natin basic algebra, dito natin makikita, our learning objectives is to know and use correctly the different formulas and concepts of algebra and to identify the parts of an algebraic expression or equation. So, for example, meron na kang nakitang 2x squared. So, itong 2, that is called the numerical coefficient. Ito naman na x, this is labeled as the variable. And the 2 dito sa taas ng x is called the exponent. So, ito po ay isang type of algebra. So, what if we are going to apply or manipulate algebraic expressions? For example, excuse me, you have 2x squared plus 4x squared minus x squared. So, ang first step natin, simplify or add or combine the numerical coefficients first. 2 plus 4 minus 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. Minus 1 is 5. Copy nyo lang to naman na x squared. Since like terms, copy nyo lang siya. No need to add or do anything with the variable and exponent. So, 5x squared. So, that is your answer. Okay po, nakita nyo yan? Kasi 2 plus 4, 6. Minus 1, 5. Same with negative 1 plus 4, 3 plus 2, 5, x squared. Number 2, what if minus? For example, 2x cubed plus 4x minus x cubed minus x. So, ang first step natin, hindi natin to pwede diretsuhin na i-operate. We need to distribute the negative sign to the second term. So, may siyang 2x, tagal natin yung parenthesis, 2x cubed plus 4x, tapos yung positive x cubed ay negative x cubed. And then negative x will become positive x. So, combine like terms, 2x cubed minus x cubed. 2 minus 1, 1, copy the variable x cubed. 4x plus x, 4 plus 1, 5, copy the variable. So, this is your answer. For number 3, what if you're going to multiply? For example, you have 2x squared plus 7 times x plus 4. So, ito, we're going to use the FOIL method. So, pag sinabi natin FOIL method, i-write ulit natin. When we say FOIL method, we have the first, the outer, the inner, and layer term, or either the last term. So, ito munang term, first, outer, inner, and the last term. Then, multiply natin yung first muna. 2x squared times x is 2. Yung value, exponent mo, and rather, the numerical coefficient. Copy x. And then, when we are multiplying polynomials or algebraic expression, add the exponent, 2 plus 1 cube. Okay po, so naka-cube na yan. Plus, 4 times 2x squared, 4 times 2, 8, copy the x squared. Dito naman sa isa, 7 times x, the inner term, 7x. Then, 7 times 4, 28. And then, you now have your answer. Ito na po yung sagot natin. Nakakuha ninyo, nasusundan po ba? Okay. And for number 4, we have the division. For example, let's say you have x cubed plus 2x squared. Let's say 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 8 divided by 2x. So, paano ba pag-operate nito? So, ito, we're not going to use long division. Rather, we're going to simplify. Ito mo ng term. Kaya capsule ko na yan. Ganyan ang arrangement ko na. Ito muna tayo sa 2x. So, 4x cubed divided by 2x. So, 4 divided by 2, we have 2. X cubed divided by x. Pag nag-divide tayo ng exponents, you're going to subtract 3 minus 1. Copy x squared. Plus 2 divided by 2, 1. Wala na yan. X squared over x is 2 minus 1. So, copy x. Negative 8 divided by 2 is minus 4 over natira mo sa x. Or, you can simplify the third term. Pwede siya maging 2x squared plus x minus 4x to the negative 1. Okay po. So, ano napansin natin? Are there same exponents? Kung ito bang x minus 4 over x same exponents ba? No, because 4 over x as a negative exponent. So, wala ka nang gagalawin dyan. And this is your answer. So, that's all for this video. Thank you po.